So in our previous video, we learned how to connect files in P5 editor. So today what we're going to learn is how to but how to write coordinates. What are coordinates? So first we are going to create a rectangle. What are we going to create? We are going to create a rectangle. And inside this rectangle, we are going to add its position. So what is this? Now just see what I'm doing. Just have a look at what I'm doing when I run. So I can see one rectangle has been created. So what is this? So first what I've done is, I have written a statement that rectangle. Then after it, what I have done is, I have given its 4 positions. Now the first one is, what is first one? If I go to 300 and let me do it auto refresh. Now run. So I can see that the first one is its x position. What? So the first position is the x position. Now what is x position? X position means this position, the standing line. The sleeping position is the x position. And the second one is its y position. What is the y position? Y position means the standing line. The straight line is the standing line. So the first position is x position, and x position we can change it wherever we want it in the x line. So suppose I do it 100 and I can see it is here. But what if I in the y position give it as 400? It's just out because the canvas is itself of 400, so it is now in the edge of the canvas. But I can see something here. So if I do 300, I can see it came here. But what if I did it 350? I can see changing its position, right? So this is for the x position and the y position, and what are the coordinates of it. This is how we're defining. Now what are these two? What are these two? The first one, if I increase, I can see what has increased, its width. What has increased? Its width. Isn't it? Its breadth. It has increased. If I do it 200, then its breadth has increased more. And here in the fourth, so if I do it 60, let me first make it 200. So well, make it 100. So what we can see is, sorry for the 200, here we need 200 because to make it in the center. So see, so we can 200. So I hope you have understood now. So this is, suppose I do it 100 here. Then what's increasing? Its height is increasing. What is increasing? Its length is increasing. So in short, we can say that the first one is its x position. The second one is its y position. The third one is its breadth, and the fourth one is its length or height. So with this we can create much more. We can create more rectangles in different positions. We can make it 100, and let me make it little much down. 300. So I can see we have created more rectangles, and like this we can create much more rectangles.